Shipping a bumper may sound simple, but because bumpers are long, bulky, and easy to scratch, they need the right preparation before they are picked up or dropped off for transport. Before anything else, identify what kind of bumper you are shipping. A plastic bumper cover, chrome bumper, steel bumper, or painted replacement part may each need slightly different protection. Give the bumper a quick clean so you can see its condition clearly. Look for scratches, dents, cracks, paint chips, or loose parts. Then take photos before packing it. If there are brackets, bolts, clips, sensors, fog lights, or trim pieces that can come loose, remove them or secure them properly. Small parts should be packed separately and labeled. The corners and edges are usually the most vulnerable areas. Use foam, cardboard, bubble wrap, or edge protectors to cover those areas before wrapping the entire bumper. A bumper should not be packed with thin plastic alone. Use heavy-duty cardboard, padding, stretch wrap, and strong tape so the part stays protected while being handled. Smaller bumper covers may fit into a large shipping box, but oversized or heavy bumpers may need freight shipping. The best option depends on the size, weight, material, and delivery distance. Carriers usually need the bumper's length, width, height, and weight to price the shipment correctly. Accurate measurements help avoid delays, surprise fees, or reclassification during shipping. Add clear shipping labels and mark the package as fragile when needed. If the bumper is painted or delicate, make sure the carrier knows it should be handled with care. Since bumpers can be expensive to replace or repaint, ask about shipping coverage. Insurance or declared value protection can give you extra peace of mind if damage happens in transit. The safest choice is usually a company that understands auto parts shipping. Experience matters when handling large vehicle parts that are awkward, fragile, or costly to replace. For more guidance on shipping a bumper and other auto parts, visit a1autotransport.com and read the full guide.